What is the primary source of air pollution in urban areas? A. Agricultural activities. B. Industrial emissions. C. Vehicle exhaust. D. Deforestation. The correct answer is C. Vehicle exhaust is a major contributor to air pollution in urban areas, releasing pollutants such as carbon monoxide and particulate matter. What is the primary source of water pollution in rivers and lakes? A. Industrial waste discharge. B. Untreated sewage. C. Agricultural runoff. D. Oil spills. The correct answer is C. Agricultural runoff, containing pesticide and fertilizer, is a significant source of water pollution in rivers and lakes. Which of the following is a common soil pollutant from industrial activities? A. Nitrogen. B. Phosphorus. C. Heavy metals. D. Organic matter. The correct answer is C. Heavy metals, such as lead, mercury, and cadmium, are common soil pollutants due to industrial activities. What health impacts can be associated with air pollution exposure? Respiratory diseases, skin cancer, osteoporosis, type 2 diabetes. The correct answer is A. Exposure to air pollution can lead to respiratory diseases such as asthma and bronchitis, among other health effects. Which of the following is a major environmental challenge related to soil pollution? A. Deforestation. B. Erosion. C. Desertification. D. Groundwater pollution. The correct answer is D. Soil pollution can lead to groundwater pollution, affecting drinking water quality and ecosystem health. What is the primary human activity leading to deforestation and habitat destruction? A. Mining. B. Logging. C. Agriculture. D. Urbanization. The correct answer is C. Agriculture, particularly expanding croplands and grazing areas, is a significant driver of deforestation and habitat destruction. Which greenhouse gas is primarily released from livestock farming? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Methane. C. Nitrous oxide. D. Chlorofluorocarbons. The correct answer is B. Livestock farming is a major source of methane emissions, a potent greenhouse gas contributing to global warming. What is the primary cause of ocean pollution from plastic waste? A. Industrial runoff. B. Marine transport. C. Single-use plastics. D. Oil spills. The correct answer is C. The primary cause of ocean pollution from plastic waste is the extensive use of single-use plastics that end up in water bodies. How can air pollution be mitigated at a local level? A. Planting trees. B. Burning fossil fuels. C. Increasing vehicle emissions. D. Promoting industrial emissions. The correct answer is A. Planting trees can help mitigate air pollution by absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen, improving local air quality. What are some common sources of indoor air pollution? A. Cleaning products. B. Cigarette smoke. C. Radon gas. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Indoor air pollution can come from various sources including cleaning products, cigarette smoke, radon gas, and others, leading to potential health risks. How does eutrophication primarily impact water systems? A. Increases oxygen levels. B. Decreases nutrient content. C. Leads to algal blooms. D. Reduces water acidity. The correct answer is C. Eutrophication leads to increased nutrient levels in water, promoting excessive algae growth and causing harmful algal blooms. What is a significant environmental concern associated with heavy metal soil pollution? A. Contamination of groundwater. B. Loss of biodiversity. C. Increased soil erosion. D. Acidification of oceans. The correct answer is A. Heavy metal soil pollution can result in groundwater contamination, affecting both environmental and human health. Which of the following is a significant global challenge related to soil degradation? A. Loss of agricultural productivity. B. Decrease in air pollution. C. Increase in biodiversity. D. Enhanced soil fertility. The correct answer is A. Soil degradation can result in a loss of agricultural productivity, posing a significant global challenge for food security and sustainability. How does agricultural runoff contribute to water pollution? A. Decreases soil erosion. B. Increases biodiversity. C. Carries pesticide and fertilizer into waterways. D. Promotes wetland restoration. The correct answer is C. Agricultural runoff can carry excess pesticide and fertilizer into water systems, causing water pollution and affecting aquatic ecosystems. What is a key factor contributing to soil erosion? A. Deforestation. B. Greenhouse gas emissions. C. Light pollution. D. Water treatment plants. The correct answer is A. Deforestation is a primary human activity leading to soil erosion, impacting soil health, and contributing to environmental degradation. How does urbanization impact water quality in rivers and lakes? A. Increases biodiversity. B. Reduces sedimentation. C. Introduces pollutants from stormwater runoff. D. Balances pH levels. The correct answer is C. Urbanization can lead to water pollution in rivers and lakes, as stormwater runoff carries pollutants like oil, heavy metals, and debris into water bodies. What is a common consequence of ocean acidification from air pollution? A. Increased marine biodiversity. B. Coral reef bleaching. C. Reduced plastic waste. D. Enhanced shell formation in marine organisms. The correct answer is B. Ocean acidification, caused by increased levels from air pollution, can lead to coral reef bleaching and negatively impact marine ecosystems. How can we lessen the impact of salty soil on farming? A. Using crops that can withstand salt. B. Watering more often. C. Using chemical fertilizer. D. Cutting down trees. The correct answer is A. Implementing the cultivation of salt-resistant crops can help mitigate the effects of soil salinization on agriculture, ensuring sustainable food production. What is a key factor contributing to groundwater pollution? A. Leaking storage tanks. B. Agricultural runoff. C. Industrial waste disposal. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Groundwater pollution can result from various sources such as leaking storage tanks, agricultural runoff carrying pesticide and fertilizer, and improper disposal of industrial waste. What environmental impact is associated with microplastic pollution in oceans? A. Threat to marine organisms. B. Increase in oxygen levels. C. Enhanced biodiversity. D. Improved water quality. The correct answer is A. Microplastic pollution in oceans threatens marine organisms. They can ingest or become entangled in plastic debris. This leads to health problems and disrupts the ecosystem. Which of the following is a major factor contributing to soil erosion? A. Deforestation. B. Overgrazing. C. Tillage practices. D. All of the above. The correct answer is D. Soil erosion can be accelerated by multiple factors such as deforestation, overgrazing by livestock removing vegetative cover, and unsustainable tillage practices that leave soil exposed to runoff and erosion. What aspect of soil quality is affected by acid rain deposition? A. pH levels. B. Organic matter content. C. Water holding capacity. D. Soil texture. The correct answer is A. Acid rain deposition can lower the soil's pH, leading to acidification. This affects nutrient availability, microbial activity, and plant growth. How do pharmaceuticals enter water systems and contribute to pollution? A. Through improper disposal. B. Industrial emissions. C. Natural geological processes. D. Wildfires. The correct answer is A. Pharmaceuticals can enter water systems through improper disposal. For example, flushing unused medications down the toilet. This leads to water contamination and potential ecological impacts. What is a potential consequence of soil compaction on agricultural land? A. Reduced air and water infiltration. B. Increased soil fertility. C. Enhanced root growth. D. Improvement in crop yield. The correct answer is A. Soil compaction reduces air and water infiltration, limits root growth and nutrient uptake, affecting crop productivity and agricultural sustainability. What role do wetlands play in mitigating water pollution? A. Filtering out pollutants. B. Enhancing nutrient runoff. C. Promoting algal blooms. D. Increasing water turbidity. The correct answer is A. Wetlands act as natural filters, removing pollutants like sediments, nutrients, and pathogens from water bodies, helping to improve water quality and ecosystem health. How can soil erosion be prevented on agricultural lands? A. Implementing conservation practices. B. Increasing pesticide use. C. Expanding irrigation systems. D. Removing vegetation cover. The correct answer is A. Soil erosion prevention on agricultural lands can be achieved by implementing conservation practices such as contour plowing, terracing, cover cropping, and reducing tillage intensity to protect soil structure and reduce erosion risk. What impact can oil spills have on marine ecosystems? A. Coating marine animals and plants. B. Enhancing reef formation. C. Promoting fish population growth. D. Increasing biodiversity. The correct answer is A. Oil spills can coat marine animals and plants with crude oil, leading to suffocation, impaired feeding, and disrupted reproductive cycles, causing severe harm to marine ecosystems. Which of the following is a common source of nitrate pollution in water systems? A. Fertilizer. B. Plastic waste. C. Industrial emissions. D. Pesticide. The correct answer is A. Fertilizer containing nitrate compounds are a common source of nitrate pollution in water systems. What impact can heavy metal contamination have on aquatic ecosystems? A. Increased biodiversity. B. Decreased oxygen levels. C. Promotion of fish growth. D. Enhanced water clarity. The correct answer is B. Heavy metal contamination can lead to decreased oxygen levels in water, harming aquatic life. Which of the following is a major consequence of soil erosion on agricultural lands? A. Increased soil fertility. B. Loss of topsoil. C. Enhanced crop yield. D. Promotion of plant growth. The correct answer is B. Soil erosion can result in the loss of valuable topsoil, reducing soil fertility and agricultural productivity. How can plastic waste in oceans impact marine wildlife? A. Improved habitat creation. B. Increased species diversity. C. Entanglement and ingestion risks. D. Enhanced food availability. The correct answer is C. Plastic waste in oceans can pose entanglement and ingestion risks to marine wildlife, leading to negative impacts on their survival. What is a significant global challenge associated with water pollution? A. Rising sea levels. B. Increased soil salinization. C. Pollution of freshwater sources. D. Expansion of desert areas. The correct answer is C. Water pollution poses a significant global challenge, affecting freshwater sources and ecosystem health worldwide. How can deforestation contribute to air pollution? A. By reducing oxygen production. B. By releasing stored carbon dioxide. C. By promoting soil erosion. D. By enhancing natural habitat diversity. The correct answer is B. Deforestation can release stored carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, leading to increased air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. Which of the following is a common consequence of pesticide pollution in soil? A. Enhanced crop quality. B. Promotion of beneficial microorganisms. C. Harm to non-target species. D. Improvement of soil structure. The correct answer is C. Pesticide pollution in soil can harm non-target species, including beneficial organisms and pollinators, contributing to ecological imbalances. What environmental impact is associated with acid rain deposition on soil? A. Enhanced soil pH levels. B. Increased water retention capacity. C. Acidification of soil. D. Promotion of plant growth. The correct answer is C. Acid rain deposition can acidify soil, affecting nutrient availability and plant health. How can urban runoff contribute to water pollution in rivers and lakes? A. By reducing sedimentation rates. B. By adding pollutants like oil and chemicals. C. By increasing oxygen levels. D. By enhancing aquatic habitat diversity. The correct answer is B. Urban runoff can carry pollutants like oil, chemicals, and debris into rivers and lakes, leading to water pollution and ecosystem degradation. What role can organic farming practices play in reducing soil pollution? A. Increased use of synthetic fertilizer. B. Promotion of pesticide usage. C. Adoption of sustainable agricultural methods. D. Enhancement of genetically modified crops. The correct answer is C. Organic farming practices focus on sustainable methods that reduce soil pollution by minimizing the use of synthetic fertilizer and pesticide. What is a common source of mercury pollution in water systems? A. Coal-fired power plants. B. Agricultural runoff. C. Plastic waste. D. Landfill leachate. The correct answer is A. Mercury pollution in water systems often comes from coal-fired power plants. These plants release mercury into the atmosphere. Then, it enters waterways through deposition and runoff. How does nutrient pollution primarily impact water ecosystems? A. Causing algal blooms and oxygen depletion. B. Increasing biodiversity and ecosystem stability. C. Promoting fish population growth. D. Enhancing water clarity and quality. The correct answer is A. Nutrient pollution in water systems can lead to excessive algal growth. This results in algal blooms that consume oxygen when decomposing, leading to oxygen depletion and negative impacts on aquatic ecosystems. What is a significant human health impact of exposure to lead in contaminated soils? A. Neurological damage and developmental delays. B. Respiratory issues and lung cancer. C. Cardiovascular diseases and high blood pressure. D. Skin irritation and allergies. The correct answer is A. Exposure to lead in contaminated soils can result in serious health effects, especially in children. These effects include neurological damage, developmental delays, and behavioral issues. What is a key environmental impact of plastic waste buildup in marine ecosystems? A. Marine species entanglement and ingestion. B. Increased coral reef growth. C. Enhanced oxygen levels in seawater. D. Boosted biodiversity in reef environments. The correct answer is A. Plastic waste accumulating in our oceans harms marine life. Turtles and seabirds, for example, can ingest plastic or become entangled, causing injury or death. How can agricultural practices contribute to soil erosion? A. Excessive tilling and land clearance. B. Planting cover crops and rotating crops. C. Applying organic compost and mulch. D. Implementing no-till farming techniques. The correct answer is A. Unsustainable agricultural practices, such as excessive tilling and land clearance, can expose soil to erosion by wind and water. This leads to degradation and loss of fertile topsoil. What is a significant global challenge related to water scarcity and pollution? A. Impacts on public health and sanitation. B. Enhanced marine biodiversity. C. Increased availability of freshwater resources. D. Improved water quality for aquatic habitats. The correct answer is A. Water scarcity and pollution pose significant challenges to public health and sanitation, especially in regions with limited clean water access. This leads to various health issues and diseases. How does air pollution from transportation contribute to global environmental challenges? A. By releasing nitrogen oxides and particulate matter. B. By promoting clean energy technologies. C. By enhancing biodiversity in urban areas. D. By reducing the ozone layer depletion. The correct answer is A. Transportation-related air pollution emissions contain nitrogen oxides and particulate matter, contributing to smog, respiratory problems, and overall environmental degradation. Which soil quality parameter is affected by heavy metal contamination? A. Nutrient availability and uptake. B. Soil pH and acidity levels. C. Soil structure and compaction. D. Water holding capacity and aeration. The correct answer is A. Heavy metal contamination in soil can affect nutrient availability and uptake by plants, leading to imbalances and deficiencies in essential nutrients necessary for plant growth and health. What is a common consequence of improper waste disposal on soil quality? A. Groundwater contamination and leaching. B. Improved soil fertility and organic matter content. C. Enhanced soil microbiome diversity. D. Reduced erosion potential and soil runoff. The correct answer is A. Improper waste disposal practices can result in pollutants leaching into the soil, contaminating groundwater resources, and posing risks to human health and the environment. What is the primary source of outdoor air pollution affecting urban and rural areas globally? A. Industrial emissions. B. Agricultural activities. C. Traffic and transportation. D. Biomass burning. The correct answer is C. Traffic and transportation, including vehicle emissions, are significant sources of outdoor air pollution in both urban and rural areas, contributing to issues such as smog and particulate matter pollution. Which of the following is a major impact of soil pollution on terrestrial ecosystems? A. Decreased biodiversity. B. Enhanced soil fertility. C. Improved plant growth. D. Reduced water contamination. The correct answer is A. Soil pollution can result in decreased biodiversity in terrestrial ecosystems, affecting the health and balance of plant and animal communities. How does water pollution from agricultural runoff primarily impact aquatic ecosystems? A. Increased oxygen levels in water. B. Enhanced biodiversity of aquatic organisms. C. Algal blooms and oxygen depletion. D. Decreased nutrient concentrations in water. The correct answer is C. Agricultural runoff can lead to nutrient enrichment in water bodies, causing algal blooms and subsequent oxygen depletion, which harms aquatic organisms and ecosystems. What is a significant global challenge associated with groundwater contamination? A. Decreased availability of drinking water. B. Increased marine pollution. C. Altered precipitation patterns. D. Loss of soil fertility. The correct answer is A. Contamination of groundwater sources poses a significant global challenge, reducing the availability of safe drinking water for human populations around the world. How can deforestation contribute to water pollution in rivers and lakes? A. Increased biodiversity of aquatic organisms. B. Prevention of erosion and sedimentation. C. Runoff of pollutants and sediments into water bodies. D. Enhanced soil fertility along riverbanks. The correct answer is C. Deforestation can lead to increased runoff of pollutants and sediments into rivers and lakes, causing water pollution and negatively impacting aquatic ecosystems. Which greenhouse gas is mainly released from farming like rice growing and raising livestock? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Methane, CH4. C. Nitrous oxide, N2O. D. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs. The correct answer is B. Methane, CH4, is a potent greenhouse gas. It's primarily released from agricultural activities like rice cultivation and livestock farming. This contributes to global warming and climate change. What is a major environmental impact of microplastic pollution in oceans on marine wildlife? A. Enhanced biodiversity of marine ecosystems. B. Increased protection against predators. C. Ingestion and entanglement in marine species. D. Improved water clarity and visibility. The correct answer is C. Microplastic pollution in oceans can have a major environmental impact on marine wildlife through ingestion and entanglement, leading to adverse effects on marine species, health and survival. How does urbanization contribute to water pollution in rivers and lakes? A. Decreased impervious surfaces in urban areas. B. Enhanced natural filtration of pollutants. C. Increased runoff of chemicals and waste into water bodies. D. Improved monitoring and regulation of water quality. The correct answer is C. Urbanization can result in increased runoff of chemicals and waste from urban areas into rivers and lakes, causing water pollution and compromising the health of aquatic ecosystems. What is a common consequence of heavy metal contamination in soil on agricultural productivity? A. Enhanced nutrient availability for crops. B. Improved soil structure and texture. C. Reduced crop yields and food safety concerns. D. Increased water retention in soil. The correct answer is C. Heavy metal contamination in soil can lead to reduced crop yields and food safety concerns. This is due to the toxic effects of metals on plant growth and the potential transfer of contaminants to the food chain. Which of the following is a significant global challenge related to water pollution and sanitation? A. Increased availability of clean drinking water. B. Lack of access to proper sanitation facilities. C. Sustainable management of marine resources. D. Minimization of agricultural runoff into water bodies. The correct answer is B. One of the significant global challenges related to water pollution is the lack of access to proper sanitation facilities. This contributes to the spread of waterborne diseases and environmental contamination. What is a common environmental impact of soil pollution on terrestrial ecosystems? A. Decreased biodiversity. B. Increased soil fertility. C. Enhanced plant growth. D. Boosted ecosystem resilience. The correct answer is A. Soil pollution can lead to decreased biodiversity by harming soil-dwelling organisms and disrupting the ecosystem balance. How can water pollution from industrial activities impact aquatic ecosystems? A. By introducing toxic chemicals. B. By increasing oxygen levels. C. By promoting biodiversity. D. By reducing nutrient levels. The correct answer is A. Water pollution from industrial activities can introduce toxic chemicals into aquatic ecosystems, harming aquatic life and ecosystem health. What is a key global challenge associated with plastic pollution in oceans? A. Marine species extinction. B. Ocean acidification. C. Microplastic contamination. D. Coral reef destruction. The correct answer is C. Microplastic contamination in oceans is a significant global challenge that can impact marine life and human health. How can agricultural runoff contribute to water pollution in rivers and lakes? A. By carrying pesticide and fertilizer. B. By increasing oxygen levels. C. By decreasing nutrient levels. D. By promoting biodiversity. The correct answer is A. Agricultural runoff can carry pesticide and fertilizer into rivers and lakes, leading to water pollution and ecosystem disruption. What is a major human health impact of exposure to microplastics in contaminated water sources? A. Endocrine disruption. B. Enhanced immune system. C. Increased energy levels. D. Improved cognitive function. The correct answer is A. Exposure to microplastics in contaminated water sources can lead to endocrine disruption and potential health risks for humans. How can deforestation contribute to soil erosion and degradation? A. By removing vegetation cover. B. By increasing soil fertility. C. By reducing water runoff. D. By enhancing biodiversity. The correct answer is A. Deforestation can contribute to soil erosion and degradation by removing vegetation cover that helps prevent soil erosion. What is a key factor contributing to groundwater pollution from human activities? A. Improper waste disposal. B. Enhanced soil fertility. C. Controlled pesticide use. D. Reduced industrial activities. The correct answer is A. Improper waste disposal is a key factor contributing to groundwater pollution by allowing contaminants to seep into the groundwater. How does urbanization impact water quality in rivers and lakes? A. By increasing pollutants and sediments. B. By reducing urban runoff. C. By enhancing biodiversity. D. By decreasing industrial activities. The correct answer is A. Urbanization can impact water quality in rivers and lakes by increasing pollutants and sediments from urban runoff. What is a significant global challenge associated with heavy metal contamination of drinking water sources? A. Health hazards for human populations. B. Increased soil fertility. C. Decreased agricultural productivity. D. Enhanced aquatic biodiversity. The correct answer is A. Contamination of drinking water sources by heavy metals poses significant health hazards for human populations and environmental risks. How can soil salinization affect agricultural productivity and sustainability? A. By decreasing crop yields. B. By promoting crop growth. C. By enhancing soil biodiversity. D. By reducing water runoff. The correct answer is A. Soil salinization can affect agricultural productivity and sustainability by decreasing crop yields due to salt accumulation in the soil. What is one major source of water pollution by heavy metals in rivers and lakes? A. Industrial activities. B. Agricultural runoff. C. Urban runoff. D. Oil spills. The correct answer is A. Industrial activities such as mining, manufacturing, and disposal of industrial waste are significant sources of heavy metal pollution in water bodies. How does acid rain primarily impact soil quality and fertility? A. Decreases soil pH and leaches nutrients. B. Increases soil pH and promotes plant growth. C. Neutralizes soil pH and enhances biodiversity. D. Creates anaerobic conditions and decreases soil aeration. The correct answer is A. Acid rain lowers soil pH levels, which can lead to nutrient depletion and negatively impact soil fertility. Which of the following is a significant effect of air pollution on aquatic ecosystems? A. Acidification of water bodies. B. Increase in dissolved oxygen levels. C. Enhancement of aquatic biodiversity. D. Promotion of algal growth. The correct answer is A. Air pollution can contribute to the acidification of water bodies through deposition of pollutants and subsequent runoff into aquatic ecosystems. What is a key impact of soil erosion on terrestrial ecosystems? A. Loss of topsoil and nutrients. B. Increase in soil fertility. C. Promotion of plant growth. D. Enhancement of soil structure. The correct answer is A. Soil erosion leads to the loss of topsoil, which is rich in nutrients essential for plant growth and ecosystem health. How can water pollution from agricultural runoff impact marine wildlife in coastal areas? A. Eutrophication and hypoxia. B. Increase in biodiversity. C. Reduction in algae blooms. D. Improvement in water clarity. The correct answer is A. Agricultural runoff can introduce excess nutrients into coastal waters, leading to eutrophication, oxygen depletion, and negative effects on marine wildlife.